Looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me like, nigga, what it do? 4, 9 pieces, 8 little babies, 36 zippers, money on the table. Looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me like, nigga, what it do? 4, 9 pieces, 8 little babies, 36 zippers, money on the table. I'm looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me saying, what you wanna do? I love to see him fly, or should I break it down? 50 on the break, it's enough to go around. I really push, got out the mountains. The trap on the hill, we call it Cocaine Mountain. Let's make a deal, I got a cocaine fountain. The yayo flow like a resource natural. Big M flow, you know it's all natural. My D-boy hits, keep me stunting on the amateurs. About to drop a record called Let's Make a Deal. About to hit a lick with a baby all real. Looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me like, nigga, what it do? 4, 9 pieces, 8 little babies, 36 zippers, money on the table. I'm looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me saying, what you wanna do? I love to see him fly, or should I break it down? 50 on the way, it's enough to go around. 50 on the way, the pipeline flowing. Stamped up square thing straight up out the jungle. Big M hustling, get it out the gutter. Bringing it to the table, now the diamonds change the colors. Heavy in the game, yeah, you know I gotta eat. Give a damn about a hater. You don't want it with the beats. In my kitchen all day, I ain't had a chance to hit it. I'm straight dropping pies, let the streets have a feast. Looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me like, nigga, what it do? 4, 9 pieces, 8 little babies, 36 zippers, money on the table. I'm looking at this brick with a bird's eye view. It's staring back at me saying, what you wanna do? I love to see him fly, or should I break it down? 50 on the way, it's enough to go around. Push in the air, got that fish scale dropping. 6 in the morning, who the hell is that knocking? 6 in the morning, who the hell is that knocking? Ain't nobody calling, got my hands on my chopper. Let me make it clear, my hands on my chopper, but this one don't crank. This motherfucker choppers. Why the hell you think them extra clips in my holster? I told you pussy niggas about heavyweight productions.